So it looks like my parents' sink is leaking, but specifically this InSinkErator. See how it's leaking on the bottom? I don't know how old it is, but it looks like it's a model 500-1. Alright. And it does work, see? But unfortunately it's leaking. Unlike mine at my house where it doesn't even turn on. So it looks like today I'm gonna have to replace this. Wow, that was easy. Wow, it came out super easy. So I have it on. Now we're gonna turn it clockwise. Make sure it latch into place. So ideally, you want this to touch that to before you lock. Use this Allen wrench to apply some force to it. All right, now it's fully tightened. You see how that's touching up right against the ramp. Okay, so now I'm just gonna basically reattach this and the other hoses, and we're good to go. Everything is back to its ready state. Now we can finally test it out. Make sure it doesn't leak. I'm gonna run it with water. Okay. No leakage. So far, looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on. It's working. Hey, I think we're good to go. So the installation is fairly simple. InSinkErator, it's a good brand. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck.